My name is Sherry Garvin, and I'm a pharmacist here at the Compounding Center. I'd like to introduce you to the Unodose applicator. This device is ideal for dispensing hormone therapy. It's FDA registered, BPA free, TSA approved, made in the US, and it's very accurate and easy to use. Let me show you how it works. First, the lid is secured so that during travel you can't have any accidental spills, but it's very easy to remove just with a slight counterclockwise twist. Before the first use or after travel, you may want to give it a few taps just to even out the cream. When you're ready to dispense your dose, you simply turn the dosing knob at the bottom. You can feel and hear each click that dispenses 0.25 mLs of cream. If the cream doesn't come out of the holes evenly, don't worry. The dose is being pushed up from the bottom, so you're getting the full amount even if it might be a bit uneven. From here, you would simply apply the cream to the inner forearm or inner thigh, wherever you've been instructed to do so. In some cases, the physician may have asked you to apply part of the dose elsewhere. If that's the case, you would do the first part of your dose topically, and then your next click, you can apply part of the dose to the vulva or vaginal area. The other nice thing about the Unodose applicator is that it does come with a reorder mark, so you're never out of medication. Once this little blue line reaches the reorder mark, simply call or text us and we'll get your refill ready for you. If you have any questions about your hormone therapy or the Unodose applicator, please call our pharmacist. We're happy to help.